packing some more of our best-selling viral keyboard fidgets. This person ordered our largest fidget size with creamy mechanical keyboard switches, and they chose red for their keycap color. You can mix and match colors with our custom option. They also ordered a custom smaller fidget. Thank you so much for ordering.